goes off to the right, goes down around the river. Yeah, this trail goes off in this direction down to the river. We'll head down there and see what's down here. So we're heading down straight down to the river. See what we see down here. Wow, this is nice. Nice little spot here. Open area here. You can see the river. So yeah, this says water and ice. The river valley you see today formed after the last ice age ended about 12,000 years ago. Yeah, another beautiful shot of the North Saskatchewan River along the banks here. Oh, I could jump in right now. It's so warm out here right now. I'm just hot from riding around so much. Well, I could probably go down and dip my feet in there and cool my feet off. Yeah, I'll take a walk down here. Dip my feet in, guys. That's why I changed my shoes into my sandals so because I knew I'd be coming down here. Oh, that's nice. Nice and refreshing. The water's too murky though to see where the bottom is, so I don't want to walk out too far. Oh, very nice. Awesome. Good times. Good times, guys. Beautiful spot down by the river. All right, I'm getting back up. Made it back up.